Good morning, YouTube family, and welcome to another episode of This and That. Yes, it is your boy Rosie, your soon-to-be #1 YouTube host. When I first decided to do YouTube videos, my wife made me promise that if I do any videos in the kitchen, that at least our old-style kitchen would be clean. So in an effort to make Mama happy, because if Mama's happy, everybody's happy, I learned a few things along the way, and one was how to get this window in my stove door clean. Today, I'm going to share with you what I learned, and hopefully it'll help. Now, I was trying to figure out how to get this door clean. So I'm looking around, I'm trying to find an opening, and I really couldn't figure it out. My first inclination was to take these screws out and separate this thing. But I'm going, if I separate that and these hinges come apart, then what the hell? I'm all by myself, can I put it back together? So after a little research, I found out that there's a simple solution to, well, not really simple, but there is a solution to get these doors off and get them clean. So the first thing you do, most stoves have a little relief lever right here at the top. So you simply take a butter knife or a screwdriver, you pop that relief lever back, pull it down, either side. Then you take the door and you raise the door up a little over halfway, and it's going to stop. It's going to hit those two hinges that you just released. When it hits the hinges, pull straight up and out, and there she is. So now I'm going to take it, the door, I'm going to sit it on my countertop, and we're going to put the glass side down up that you can see. So we put the door with the chrome part, the exterior up. Now, here's where the clever trick comes in at. I took my spatula and I took a ruler and I take the flat spatula to the top of the ruler. I took a sock, I put the sock, and you're probably going to wind up sacrificing the sock because according to how long it's been since you did the cleaning, it's going to be a little rough. You simply take the sock or your tool, stick it up in the openings at the bottom of your door, and there it is. Back and forth. This one ain't quite long enough to get all the way to the top, but for purposes of this video, you go to your center hole, and repeat the same process. Just that simple. Now that we've got our door all clean, we want to put it back on the stove. You're going to repeat the same process. You're going to take the door, you're going to hold it at the same position as when you took it out, fold it down, put your two hooks back, and we're done. And there you have it. Now, while I'm doing this, when I was doing this cleaning, I also discovered there was a easy way to get those stains off of a flat top surface. And that'll be our next video coming up next week. So you be sure to come back and visit us next week, and I'm gonna give you an easy 5-minute solution to cleaning this flat top surface. So if this video was helpful to someone, y'all make sure you give us a thumbs up. If it wasn't, give us a thumbs down, and in the comment section, give us a brief reason why, and be sure to be kind. And if you like what we're doing here, This and That, hey, consider becoming a subscriber. And if you do become a subscriber, be sure to hit the old notification bell so you'll be notified every time we drop one of these awesome videos. Y'all take care, have a great day. It's your boy Rosie. Peace.